Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Aren't we starting from the beginning?
Okay. Yo cuento pues.
Okay.
What
Hey
is up, you guys?
Welcome back to our channel.
Long time no see. Today we're doing another video, and this one's gonna be a mukbang.
So we have heard a lot of reviews of Church's chicken. So we've decided to do it here since we don't have it back home, and you know we're here. So we're gonna do a review, and we have our nephew John. So he's gonna ask us questions throughout the video, and yeah, let's get this video started.
While reviewing this.
This is the chicken. Show them the chicken. We got chicken and thigh. And then as sides, we got coleslaw, mashed potatoes. We got, what's it called? Jalapeno cheese bombers or poppers. We got french fries, and we got their honey biscuits. We've heard a lot of good reviews about this, so we're gonna try that out.
Guys, so it took quite the trip to get to this restaurant, this place where it was located. It's like maybe like 20 minutes away. So throughout us getting there, we got the food, we came back.
Set up.
Like, it's not even like hot anymore, it's like warm.
It's a ribbon.
Okay, so let's start with the chicken, a bite each.
Ready? Okay. Wow. It's good. It's good.
Very crunchy. So, hands down first. Chicken was very
It's good, guys. Better than KFC though. I can say that much. Or Popeyes.
KFC would have been like with like this
Liga?
like how can you call that? Like slimy almost, like
Yeah.
very like sticky, very like disgusting with the grease. But it's not greasy at all.
So these are the jalapeno cheese bombers. So
Bombers.
I'm gonna try that out. Let's see. These are very good. It's good, guys. Oh my god. I haven't tasted food like this in good food in
Wow. Alright. We're gonna throughout this mukbang we're gonna be doing some questions asked by our nephew. So let's get started with your first question.
Question 1. Where did you guys meet? I want a full story, nothing short.
Full story? I'll give you a short story. It was 5th grade. Like what? August? We went to middle school together.
We went
I
to
met her in
middle
middle school in 5th
Yes.
grade.
And we were in the same homeroom teaching, so that's how we met. And we became just friends, and we had a little squad. So yeah, but we officially started going out until 8th grade, I believe. And then it's funny because at the end of that school year, he was telling me, "Oh, I'm moving to Seattle." And look, so
Now we're here.
Now we're here. And I want to tell you guys something. When you guys put your head to it and you like, how do you say manifest it, things come true. Because I remember when he would come to Seattle, like for the summer, and he would always say, one day we're gonna go together. One day we're gonna go together. Look, guys, after what, 8 years I'm here?
Question 2, what is the age gap between you guys?
Like a year.
A year and 2 months.
Yeah, around there.
Around there.
And who's the oldest?
I am.
She's my baby brother.
Alright, shut up. You're gonna get there soon. You're gonna get there and watch.
I'm still rocking that 15-year-old body.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, question 3. Who said I love you first in the relationship?
Who did? I don't remember. Maybe you did.
The love was mutual, so I don't know.
I can't
All we
remember.
know that it was exchanged back and forth.
Yeah.
Question 4. Who asked the other person out to date?
Me. I got the balls to say it than him. Tell me now.
It's crazy.
You can't lie.
I played hard to get at first, and
Then
I don't know,
I-
you gotta bust out some moves, so I made her ask me out. And look at us now.
Yeah.
Eating church's chicken, doing a mukbang sandwich.
Alright, we're gonna take a quick break of me asking questions, and we're gonna try this biscuit that we guys have right here.
So, these are the supposed church chicken biscuits.
I thought they were macaroon, guys.
They
I'm
look
gonna
like
lie.
macaroons, but they're not. They're biscuits. So they're recommended out here to try them with honey, and whoever like packaged our food over there in the restaurant didn't give us no honey. So if you're watching this, anywho guys, let's put that honey. Put this here. Not too much, but just enough. Guys, I just want to put a disclaimer. If you guys are getting hungry throughout this video, I don't know what to tell you guys. You're gonna have to come out here. Now, I'm gonna take the first bite. Give you my honest face.
Alright, babe. Nah, you forced you guys.
Mmm. Mmm. Very crispy.
Oh, pass me the honey. Thank you
Mm.
very much. I'm gonna put it on top because I don't have a knife to cut it in the middle. So let's see. Let's try this out, guys. You want honey in your biscuit? Good, man. It's so like crunchy and
Crunchy wouldn't
sweet.
be, I said would be like crispy. Like nice and toasty on the top.
In the middle, like milk.
Mm. But it's not like the biscuit from like KFC.
I know, it's not like ordinary
like-
biscuits. It's like
Corn. I don't know if you get that texture at the end of the corn. Guys, I just want to apologize for the background noise. My nephew, the little one. Oh my gosh, él es bien travieso.
he's a troublemaker. A cute troublemaker. Oh my god, this biscuit has me lost. I can't even describe how it tastes. Mm.
So we're gonna go back tomorrow just with the biscuits. No, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you something. When we were ordering the food, I wanted to fight the person who was taking the order because we
You're not gonna
obviously
take orders.
know that with whatever you get two sides. It's like basically everywhere. So we wanted to get more sides. She's like, no, sorry, you can't do that. I'm like, okay, we're just gonna pay extra. We don't care. So we asked for an order of biscuits, a large one, and they just gave us 3. Like, are you serious? Are you dead ass?
First complaint of this place. The food's bomb though. The food got nothing to do with the customer service.
And you can drink this, eat this with some fun and con café in the morning. It's good.
Wow. Shout out to my cameraman. Name cannot be told,
But shout out to the Bonilla family. They have let us in their house, welcomed us as family, because we are family. But shout out to them, guys.
Alright guys, we're going back to the questions now that you just had that very delicious scenery of the biscuits. Pardon me.
Question 4 or 5, I don't really know, but let's see. What is your future goal with this YouTube channel?
So we have talked about this plenty of times, and we're gonna be honest right now. This is really challenging, especially because we have to be learning new things in order to stay, like, I guess, hip to the whole YouTube things. But
It's hard, guys. It's kind of hard keeping up because first I want to apologize because we've been on vacation and we haven't uploaded anything. It's just been hard because I've been wanting to spend family time, but we've been recording, we've been taking pictures, so we have footage to upload, but we haven't had time to upload yet. So it's just difficult being on top of everything while having fun at the same time.
so hopefully while we're recording this mukbang, you guys have already seen our travel vlog of us getting here, and hopefully you guys like that. It was like pure how can I say it, time lapse, but already content, guys. Anywho, next question.
The food, I can give no complaints. No complaints.
Alright, question 5? No, 6? I don't even know. Okay. Question 6. How, and when, and why did you guys move into with each other?
So it's quite the story actually, but I'm gonna make it quick. Like I was saying, her parents caught us sneaking into her house. Well, caught me sneaking into her house, and they didn't like that. So,
Okay, first of all, what parent is gonna like that? No parent. You're gonna tell
well,
the parent.
obviously, I'm not giving no names of people, but long story short, they low-key didn't want her living there anymore. So I wouldn't say kicked out, but you know. Anywho, I told her like to move in, that you know I didn't care, like my parents didn't care, like they were supportive throughout all that. So she moved in with us. It hasn't been easy, but you know we're there.
Yeah, we've been living together for a year and what?
A year and a half now.
Like you said, it hasn't been easy, because it hasn't. But
It's funny because, at least it's funny for me because one of her family members said that she'd be running back to her parents throughout a year. And
Okay,
that
you're
has
in.
not happened. And yes, I am throwing shade, alright? Because it hurts, you know? But
It does hurt, guys, especially coming from your own family members. Instead of being supportive, talking smack behind your back, it hurts. I ain't gonna lie, because it hurts.
alright, next question.
Honey.
Alright guys,
Okay.
to wrap things up, we're gonna end this video with the last question. But if you guys have been enjoying this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff for us. It really helps. We really appreciate it. We get more motivation when we start seeing all those little stuff coming from you guys. So if you've watched throughout this entire video,
You're doing that?
Yes, I'm doing
Okay.
it. If you've seen throughout this entire video, comment the word sheesh. Comment the word sheesh down below, just to know that you guys stuck around for the entire video. And what's your question?
Final question. Okay.
Alright.
In the future, do you plan on moving here to Seattle, Washington?
Yes, guys, I fell in love with this. The life here is so different from the life back home.
We're used to the city, you know, we are a city as Chelsea. But this state, they call it the Evergreen State. And literally, to us describe Washington, it's in that name. Like, it's just greenery all over the place. Like
Everywhere you go,
this state is like filled with vegetation.
yeah, everywhere you go or everywhere you drive, you're always gonna see trees and mountains.
A lot of hills and all of that. And there's a lot of lakes, a lot of rivers. Like, you can go to any corner of the state, possibly.
Yeah, from from where we're staying right now, from 15 minutes from the house there's a lake or there's a river. There's some type of like water thing. It's so different from back home because from when we want to go to the river, we have to go all the way up to New Hampshire. And it's only like a 30-hour drive from there. Excuse me, now I'm moving here.
Hopefully 2 years tops, and we'll be around here closer to the family.
Yeah.
Hopefully they don't get bored of us and tired of us.
I don't think so.
But anyways, guys, this is gonna be the end for the mukbang. I am full. The chicken, the food, everything was amazing. Customer service could be better the next time.
It could be 10 times better. But thank you
Shout
guys.
out to John for being in today's video. Drop your Instagram, your social media.
Go
whatever
follow
you
me
got.
on young_polo13.
And I'm just bloated. I think I need to walk around.
Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. And
And
that's a wrap. Peace.
peace, guys.